The moments that matter don't wait. Neither should your camera. That's where Insta360 Luna Ultra comes in. Built for the way you capture life. Pairing Leica Summicron optics with a 1-inch sensor and an integrated color temperature sensor. From crisp detail to natural color, every shot stays cinematic with 8K Dolby Vision. The 1/1.3-inch telephoto lens offers up to 12 times zoom for natural background blur that helps you stand out. Powerful portrait algorithms enhance skin texture, so every frame looks natural and you glow effortlessly. Together with Leica Chrome and other classic Leica colored profiles, instantly elevate your work with master-level aesthetics. Experience rich macro detail up close, or reveal a wider world with just a single tap. Powered by an advanced triple AI chip system, it's built to conquer the night. With pure video up to 4K 60 FPS, every night scene becomes a work of art. Glow up your content with the mini fill light in extra dark environments. Travel is not only seen and captured, but deeply felt. Step into the warmth of an unexpected moment. Capture the light, the breeze, and every smile as they unfold. And when a moment invites you in, the innovative detachable touchscreen makes it easier to join the frame. HD image transmission up to 20 meters for on-the-go control and monitoring. For solo creators, the detachable touchscreen helps capture selfie angles without guesswork. Place the camera where you want and monitor the shot remotely. The built-in microphone allows you to capture clear audio, even at a distance.
And I think now is perfect to me, Dana. Let's go!
Mount the camera on a neck mount or backpack mount. Calibrate the gimbal with ease.
Calibration complete.
And control the camera with natural head movements for immersive hands-free POV shots. Free your hands, lift your eyes, and be completely immersed in what's happening. And when inspiration calls for something more creative, it gives you the freedom to shoot from bold angles. Luna Ultra is compatible with ASUS workflows, making it suitable for professional color grading. Capture in 10-bit iLog for greater flexibility in post. Track any part of any individual at will, even when zoomed all the way in, without fear of losing your shot. As the action unfolds at a distance, active zoom tracking stays locked on. Reveal the full force of every moment in 4K 120 slow-mo. Level up your audio with Insta360 Mic Pro. Connect up to 2 transmitters directly for dual-person recording.
I'm so happy to be here.
Yeah, me too.
While keeping everyone in the frame. Capture stunning 4K live frame photos straight out of camera. Snap your best moments with crystal clear ultra photos. Journeys may end, but the feeling can stay. For the moments you never want to forget.